Salam and hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing really well. So welcome to my latest video where I share a week of meals for our family of 9. So with Ramadan and Eid being over, we're just trying to get back into routine and having our normal dinners. So on Monday night, I made a simple chicken curry. So I used some boneless thigh, cut it into little pieces and made a nice, simple tasty curry and had it with some rice. Perfect for a weekday dinner. So this is the way I tend to make my curries nowadays. I've got some oil in a pan. I've added some coriander seeds and cumin seeds, roasted them a little and then added in some sliced onions, browned them and then added tomatoes, softened them, some salt, spices, garlic and ginger paste. Then I add the meat. And I cooked it till it was nice and white and it's released all the water. And then I added some more water, a finger chilli, and then just simmered for about 20 minutes. The chicken cooks really fast, they're really small pieces. So yeah, after about 20 minutes it was done. I garnished with coriander. Served it with some delicious boiled white rice, and that was a great night of cooking. On Tuesday I was really craving some jacket potatoes, some simple dinners that we hadn't had much of in Ramadan. So yeah, I really just felt like having some jacket potatoes. So first of all, I prepared the potatoes for baking. This is how I make my jacket potatoes normally. So I've got some oil. I washed them first of all. I've got some sunflower oil, some sea salt, and I just rubbed that into the potatoes. And then prick the skin using a fork. And then I put that onto 2 roasting trays and bake them for about an hour and a half at 200 centigrade, I think it was. And there they're crispy on the outside, lovely and fluffy on the inside. Had a tuna mayo sweet corn filling, a prawn Marie Rose filling, and some grated cheddar. And that was a lovely dinner for Tuesday night. Wednesday, we tend to have a pilau, and I've shared the recipe even though I've shared it many times. But just in case this is your first video, so I've got the oil in a pan, added the whole spices which I've listed on screen. And once they've roasted a little, add the onions, brown them, add the tomatoes in, and then cook the tomatoes till they're lovely and soft. Don't ask me why I'm saying it like that. If it sticks to the pan too much, add in a bit of water. And then I added the powdered spices and the salt. Garlic and ginger paste, and just mix that all together. And I used chicken niblets. Sometimes I use a whole chicken cut into pieces. And just cook the chicken until it's white or it's changed colour from pink. Add in the potatoes, that's optional. Some people don't like potatoes in their pilau. And then I added some low-fat Greek yogurt. Mixed that all together. Cover it with some water, so just some cold water. You could add some hot water if you want. I just add cold water and then bring it to the boil. Added a finger chilli, and then once it comes to the boil, turn it down to the lowest heat, cover, cook for about 20 minutes or simmer for about 20 minutes, and then add in the soaked and drained rice. Stir that all together. Add hot boiled water this time and then simmer for 10 minutes. And then I usually leave the pan lid on for an extra 10 minutes so the rice is nice and fluffy. And that was delicious, mashallah. On Thursday, as well as making dinner, I made a banana, date and walnut cake. We had a load of dates left over. I'm sure we weren't the only ones. So I thought, what can I do with all of these dates? So I thought I'd make some kind of cake or loaf. So I was just preparing the dates. I washed them and then took the seeds out, and there was about 600 grams in total. Akhil had bought, my husband had bought a box full just a few days before Ramadan ended. So I was like, yeah, this is definitely not going to finish very soon. I had some walnuts, so I added them into the bowl. And then I sliced a couple of bananas. Nusaiba was helping me really well, mashallah. You've got some butter, porridge oats, plain flour, light brown soft sugar, some milk, baking powder. I just added a load of random things in case you can't tell. Vanilla extract, a bit of salt, and then this hand blender is brilliant for just mashing everything up, crushing it all up into small pieces, and just think about all the goodness that your kids are having without realizing really. Got bananas in there, dates, walnuts. Normally they wouldn't eat that stuff. Well, walnuts, my kids don't really eat many nuts, but like this, they ate it, mashallah. So anyway, I split the mixture between 2 loaf tins. Popped them in the oven and baked for about 25 minutes. They were a little bit soft in the middle, but it still tasted delightful. Thursday evening for dinner, we had some chicken burgers. So I'd marinated some thigh pieces in some buttermilk mixture the night before and left it in the fridge. Then I just prepared the dry mixture, the flour mixture. And then you just dip the chicken pieces, the wet chicken pieces, in the dry mixture, coat it fully. And then deep fried the chicken until lovely and golden brown and delicious. I think it's about 5 minutes for each piece. And yeah, pop them in some burgers with some mayo, cheese slices and salad, and enjoy. And after dinner we enjoyed the banana date and walnut loaf. Friday, in case you didn't know, is our takeaway night. We had some pizzas and chips and this bowl of lamb shawarma, which was delicious. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Salam. Bye.